So now we have successfully installed MongoDB server. But how you can connect to this server and create some databases or view the data inside your database? For that, you will need a utility called mongosh if you want to use the command line tool, or you can also download some kind of graphical user interface client also, uh, which is also available on MongoDB website. So you can once again go to the MongoDB website where you have downloaded the community version. Here you can select products and then select community edition. And then when you scroll down, you have already downloaded the MongoDB server. And then when you scroll down a little, you will see tools, right? So under tools, you can see MongoDB Shell. You also have MongoDB Compass, which is the MongoDB client, which is the graphical user interface client. So let's try to install both of these clients, the command line client and the graphical user interface. So let's install the MongoDB shell first. So I'm going to select MongoDB shell, select the latest version from here, and then platform is Ubuntu. So this is okay for me. And then the package type is .deb. Just click on download, which is going to start the download, and you know the procedure. So once this .deb file is downloaded, we are going to go to our downloads folder. So let me clear this terminal, and I'm already in my downloads folder. If you are not, you can just cd to your downloads folder, and you can see this mongosh .deb file is downloaded. So the command for installing is same. Just write sudo dpkg -i and the name of your mongodb .deb file. So just right click, copy, and right click paste here, and then press enter, which is going to start the download of mongosh or Mongo shell. Just wait for some time and you can see Mongo shell is also installed. Once it's installed, you can write this command, which is mongosh to check the status. So just write mongosh, and if everything is working fine, then this mongosh command is going to connect to your default MongoDB server, which is running on your local host, right? So we have already installed MongoDB server, and it was already running. So this client has recognized that and connected to your default MongoDB server. Here you can write some commands like show dbs, and it's going to show all the databases, right? If you want to create a database, you can write use and the name of your database, for example my db, and it's going to create that database for you. But you need to insert some data in your database to view this database when you give this show dbs command. So if you give show dbs, you will not be able to see this command. I should have written show dbs here, and you can see still I don't see my db in the list. The reason is I have to insert some data into my database in order to view that database. So in order to create a collection, you can write this command db dot create collection, right? So I just need to write db dot create collection, and then in the parenthesis just give the name of your collection. I'm going to name my collection as students, for example, and then press enter. Now in order to view the collections inside my database, I can say show collections here, and you can see I have one collection which is students collection, right? In order to insert data, I can write db dot the collection name, which is students in my case, and then insert, and then I can give a JSON value to insert data into it. I can insert the data using these curly brackets, and then I can say name colon whatever name I want to give here, right? So just insert the data using this command, and once the data is inserted, you can see when you give show db's command, you will be able to see my db is there, right? So Mongo shell is working. Let's also install MongoDB Compass. So once again, go to the MongoDB website, and then click on product, click on community edition, and then under tools, you will be able to see this MongoDB Compass here. So MongoDB Compass, which is a GUI. I'm going to click on that, and then here I can select the stable version, and then select my operating system, which is Ubuntu 64-bit, and then I can select this package format, which is .deb, right? So just click on this download button, which is going to download this MongoDB compass.deb file. Once this .deb file is downloaded, the procedure for installing MongoDB Compass is also very easy. Just cd to your downloads folder. Just give ls command to view what is the name of the MongoDB compass.deb file. You can see this is the file which we have downloaded. In order to run this, just write sudo dpkg -i and the name of your file, which is this one. So I'm going to right click copy and right click paste, and then press enter and give my Ubuntu's password, and then press enter, which is going to install MongoDB Compass on my Ubuntu operating system. Once MongoDB Compass is installed, you can see I can use this command, which is MongoDB -compass, or I can go to the applications section. So just click on show applications, and here I can see this MongoDB Compass icon. I can also search for MongoDB, and you can see MongoDB Compass is here. So just open MongoDB Compass using this icon, and once MongoDB Compass has been started, you just need to connect to your database. So the default MongoDB server is running on localhost 27017 port. Just click on connect, and you will be able to see all your databases. You can see we have created MyDB, a database, and one collection here, and our collection is there, and we have just inserted one document inside our collection, which was the name, and it's there, right? So this is how you can view your MongoDB data using this graphical user interface. Also from here you can also create the databases and collections. So let me create one more collection, which will be called let's say analytics, and the collection name will be, let's say, sensor, right? And then from MongoDB 5 you can also define what type of collection you want. So from MongoDB 5 onwards, you can also create time series collection. We don't want to create time series collection for now. I'm going to just click on create database, and you can see this database is created. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.